Dear viewers, wishing you a happy Rath Yatra, Namaskar. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, in-house modification enhances equipment availability in oxygen plant of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, and enforcement measures continue at SAIL RSP to boost road safety inside the steel plant. And now the news in detail. The innovative and enterprising endeavors of the employees of oxygen plant of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, have helped in enhancing the equipment life and availability and reduction of inventory. It may be noted that oxygen plant has 2 air compressors, each having capacity of 15,000 Nm³ per hour, make Atlas Copco, and 2 air compressors each having capacity 13,000 Nm³ per hour, make FS Elliott, which were in continuous operation in Atlas Copco and main air compressor stations respectively, to cater to 70% requirement of compressed air in RSP. A suction air filter house was installed in input side of each of these air compressors to isolate the atmospheric contaminants before incoming atmospheric air enters the air compressor. These filters were replaced based on differential pressure across suction air filter. In existing filtration system, the frequency of filter replacement was about 6 months. The department collective resolved to improve the filter life beyond 6 months by installing new filter house with provision of self-cleaning arrangement. Technical discussions were organized with reputed filter house manufacturers. Site visit and feasibility of installation of new filter house was studied. Accordingly, suitable filter house specifications were prepared, and accordingly 4 sets of filter house, 1 for each of the 4 air compressors, were procured from Messrs. Spectrum Filtration. All filter houses were replaced one by one with necessary in-house modification of suction pipes. Performances of these filter houses was found satisfactory. Since last 6 months of operation, the differential pressure across the suction filters is found to be within limit, and there was no need for frequent replacement of the filters. The filters installed in the 4 air compressors are same as those installed in 10 MW 11 kV main air compressor of air separation unit 3. These modified filter houses have not only reduced the frequency of filter replacement but reduced the inventory, thereby bringing about substantial savings for the company. Enforcement measures through surprise checks are continuing inside the steel plant to boost road safety. The main aim is to ensure zero road accident within the plant premises and sensitize employees on road safety. Separate squads comprising teams comprising senior officers of different departments as well as representatives of CISF and personnel department are conducting surprise checks at different vulnerable places as part of the campaign. On 10th July, a surprise check was organized in the main road near Civil Engineering Services Department. Employees as well as drivers of the external light and heavy vehicles violating the road safety norms were counseled on the spot, especially with regard to maintaining the speed limit. Some of the road safety violators were also penalized. The main objective of the exercise is to get the employees habituated to the road safety culture within the industrial premises by adhering to the safe speed limit as per the Factories Act. Now we bring before you a message addressed to RSP Collective on the occasion of surpassing 100 MT mark of hot metal production.
नमस्कार, मु श्री प्रदीप कुमार कटुआ ब्लास्ट फर्नेस मेकानिकल डिपार्टमेंट रे कार्यरत। दीर्घ 30 वर्ष मु 1990 रु वर्तमान सुधा यही डिपार्टमेंट रे अच्छी। मु जेतले एक्चुअल जॉइनिंग करथिली सेतले मु देखुथिली 4टी फर्नेस हमर थिला। 4टी फर्नेस रे आमे दिनकू 4200 टन प्रोडक्शन करने आमको बहुत कष्टसाध्य होता। अवश्य से समय टेक्नोलोजी आज टेक्नोलोजी रे बहुत फरक अच्छी। ता सहित आमर मैनेजमेंटर सहयोग। द्वितीयतः मु साधारणतः सबुबले चेष्टा करे डिपार्टमेंट रे क्रिएटिव काम करने। यही क्रिएटिव काम द्वारा आज पर्यंत मु समस्त को सहयोग करुँची। यही सहयोग प्लस अन्य मानकर सहयोग द्वारा आमे 4200 टन रु धीरे धीरे बढ़ी बढ़ी आज टेक्नोलोजी रे मध्य आमे 14500 टन पर डे आमे प्रोडक्शन करि पारुछु। गत 2 मास तले सीओ सार एवं ईडी सार आसते आम डिपार्टमेंट रे बेस्ट प्रोडक्शन पाई अभिनंदन जणाया। से समय मु सुजोग पाई कहवाई एवं गर्वर सहित से मत एत गर्व लगुला जे आमे 14000 टन जो करूँ से समय मु कहली आमर ये जो टार्गेट 14000 आमे जमी पार करूँ आगू अति सहजरे मु कही 15000 टन आमे प्रोडक्शन करूँ। आज भी चेष्टा चली मैनेजमेंटर सहयोग अन्य डिपार्टमेंटर आमर सहकर्मी जो अच्छा सहयोग द्वारा आमे यही टार्गेट पूरण करूँ। जहाँफल बर्तमान आमे 100 मिलियन टन प्रोडक्शन करिपारछु। सेथिपई समस्त को मो तरफ समस्त को धन्यवाद।
And that's all for now. Namaskar.